morning. Family, how you doing? Aunt Michelle, oh, I love you with all my heart. I'm getting a big giant warm hug, sweet sister, because yes, you inspire me, and I know you can kick more ass than the men here in Gaylord, Michigan, because the men in Gaylord, Michigan, well, they're pansies. Fuck Gaylord, Michigan. I can't handle it. It's too damn easy for me sometimes. Cause yes, indeed, baby, we are here and we are family. Oh, Tanya, how you doing, sweet sister? Yes, indeed, baby, how you doing this morning? All you guys are so damn fucking cute. Maria Moore, my beautiful bride, Mira, love you, back. Oh, yes, indeed. Good fucking morning. Family community, strong family community all day long. And you know, we'll give you a shake. We'll give you a show you never seen before. Right, Deborah? Thunder Bay, baby. So, here's the swing for you all. Here's the swing hitting the top, baby. How we do today? Yes, indeed. Allie, thank you. Appreciate Maria. Thank you, Barbara. Thank you, family community. Baby. Carol in Pittsburgh. Yes, indeed. Cuteness all around with our family community. Baby. Shake it, don't break it. Holla for the top. Light from Islamabad. Baby. Oh, yes, indeed. What a beautiful, bright, charming morning, baby. Yes, indeed. Shake it, baby, all day long. Shake it, baby, till the break of dawn. Yes, indeed. I love you all, and I appreciate you all. Maria, Carol, Candace, Deborah, Sammy, Sandra, Sammy, appreciate you, love you. All of our family community worldwide. Ellie, Maria, thank you all, love you all.